for a minute? Where would you be without your mobile phone, laptop, computers, and tablets? How would you talk to your family and text to your friends? How would you get to an unknown place without Google Maps and Navigator? How would you Google if you need an answer? Would it be possible to check your email updates? Moreover, what about your Facebook and Twitter feeds? We can't even imagine our life without technology. This is what we call ICT in action in 21st century. ICT has changed the way in which we live, work, learn. Technology has transformed every professional area. If you compare such fields as medical science, tour and travel, business, banking, the impact of ICT across the past has been enormous. But in recent years, factors have emerged which have strengthened and encouraged moves to adopt ICT into classroom and learning settings, such as global investment for use of ICT in schools to improve learning outcomes and requirement of ICT skills at workplace. Eventually, classrooms have been completely transformed. Blackboards, pens, paper, and notebooks have been replaced with interactive smartboards, computers, and laptops. Introduction of ICT component in classroom is alluring the students, and parents are also encouraging their little ones to use technology. Use of ICT in education is promoting non-linear approach of learning, where students are exposed to variety of resources to navigate information. However, they are becoming active and independent learners. On the other hand, teachers are acting more as a guide to teach students about web ethics, such as academic search, copyright issues, and cyberbullying. Additionally, classrooms have been extended beyond the physical classroom to web spaces. Various Web2 tools such as Edublogs, Schoology have changed teacher and student interactions. Most recent example of virtual classrooms could be Second Life. Use of personal web technology for learning directly supports several principles of connectivism theory of learning. Connectivism learning focused on building and maintaining networked connections through various web technologies. For example, bookmarking and research tools like Deagle. These are an online storage spaces to manage and organize your information. Personal publishing tools such as blogs and Twitter allow the user to publish oneself on the internet. Aggregators and metagators help user to pull the information and feeds at one place. Nowadays, mobile-friendly versions of personal web technologies have made technology portable and accessible anytime, anywhere. Personal learning network is like a friend in need, as King has suggested that there may be a learning curve for those using technologies such as Twitter to connect to a personal learning network, but that users stand to gain great amount of information from their network. Bloom taxonomy lends itself to problem and project-based learning, where the students must work through the entire process of remembering, understanding, and applying to more critical engagement of creating, evaluating, and analyzing. Introduction of technological pedagogical content knowledge framework has changed the concept of using technology in education to educational technologies. In TPAC framework, content knowledge is teacher's knowledge about the subject area, whereas pedagogical knowledge is the method of delivering the knowledge to the learners. Introducing technology in TPAC framework enable teachers to leverage technology resources as meaningful pedagogical tool. Another emerging concept in ICT is digital natives and digital immigrants. Digital natives who are born in age of technology. They are multitasking and receiving information quickly and instantly from various resources. On the other hand, digital immigrants are participants who are trying to learn technology, but they will have to work on it. There are several pitfalls that can come up while implementing the technology into the classroom. First is cosmetic use. It occurs when schools and teachers feel so pressured to use technology that they respond by looking like they are using technology. Second is technological imperative. In some schools, work on instructional technology becomes dominated by well-meaning people who are fascinated more by the technology than by the teaching. Third is romantic vision. Some people believe computers can replace teachers, be more efficient than teachers, increase class size, decrease cost, and motivate students. Teachers will have to carefully implement the technology into the classroom without falling into pitfalls, and it is important to consider the TPAC framework to understand the effective use of ICT in education. Learners need to become active learners to learn how to filter, critique, and manage external information. We need to take a holistic and comprehensive approach to make it successful in education. Thank you.